Your United States Navy Flight Demonstration Squadron takes pleasure in performing for you this, our second flight demonstration of the 2024 season. I'm Lieutenant Connor O'Donnell, narrator for the Blue Angels. Facebook and Instagram. There you will find exclusive photos and videos, as well as a behind-the-scenes look at our organization. Ashley Delorbe from Santo Domingo, Dominican Republic. Crew Chief number 5, Aaron Gutierrez from Goodyear, Arizona. First Mech Power Plants, Helbert Arrudia from Middletown, New York. Crew California, Natalie Lopez from Rio Rico, Arizona. Ross Alexander from Somerville, Georgia. Cody Dicio from Yakima, Washington. Diego Solorzano from Brawley, California. Kiana Blake from Brooklyn, New York. And Cameron Myers from Atlanta, Georgia. Ladies and gentlemen, your 2024 Blue Angel Maintenance Crew. To introduce the demonstration pilots you have been watching perform here this afternoon. Having secured their engines, the pilots will simultaneously exit their aircraft on a signal from Commander Armitage. It has been an honor. From Georgetown, Texas, Lieutenant Wes Perkins. Flying Blue Angel number 4, the slot pilot from Mounds View, Minnesota, Lieutenant Commander Amanda Lee. The 2024 Blue Angels.